What's up, boss? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you make money online jobs, especially for Nigerians. Yes, make money online jobs for Nigerians, work from home in Nigeria and make your cool cash. This video is inspired by one of my subscribers who sent me a DM on Instagram and requested for this video. So if you have any video requests, make sure to leave me a comment in the comment section or send me a DM on Instagram. I know that making money online, especially as a Nigerian or someone living in Nigeria, can be tricky sometimes, and most of the times it requires you having a PayPal account. So if you do not have a PayPal account, a PayPal business account, and you would like to create one without hassles, make sure that you check this video right here. I'm going to be linking it in the description box below. And also, if you need help with transferring your money from your PayPal business account to your Nigerian business account, make sure to send me a DM on Instagram. Now, if this is your very first time on my channel, you're highly welcome. My name is Victoria Ajadi, and I talk about passive income affiliate marketing. I do some lifestyle vlogs, and be sure to subscribe if you like what you are seeing on my channel. Make sure to subscribe and tap on the notification bell beside it. So let's talk about making money online in Nigeria from home. So if you want to freelance as a Nigerian in Nigeria, there are a lot of freelance sites that you can actually check out in Nigeria. Yes, online freelance sites that you can check out in Nigeria. I'll be talking more about this in my next set of videos, but for now, let's talk about what you can generally do to make money online as a Nigerian. The first thing on my list is being a virtual assistant. If you are familiar with the online world, which I expect you to be, if you actually want to make money online, you will know that a lot of online businesses are actually coming up these days. You see a lot of business coaches, online entrepreneurs, and all those different online professionals, and they cannot do everything by themselves. At one point or the other, they need help with different things, maybe replying their emails, posting on their Facebook pages and stuff like that. Basically, they need the help of a virtual assistant. They need an assistant, and being a virtual assistant means that you can work with these people from anywhere in the world, including Nigeria. So all you need to have is your laptop, have a good command of English, and you are good to go. There is no formal training for a virtual assistant. All you need to do is to go through what they actually want for you, and once you meet their requirements, you go for it and you start earning your money passively in Nigeria. To get a job as a virtual assistant, what you need to do is, first of all, follow some of the business coaches and online entrepreneurs in your space that you really love their content, and they or people that in their circle might need virtual assistants at one point or another. This is something that I've experienced a lot of times, and that is why I'm telling you, follow them and follow their pages, and at one point or the other, you will see them looking out for people who can actually be their virtual assistant. Also, you can create a profile on this freelance sites such as Fiverr, Upwork, and co, and create a profile, tell people what you can do, and people who are in need of virtual assistants can actually contact you. And if you intend on doing this, make sure that you go to your profile on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and let people know that you are a virtual assistant, that you can do the job of a virtual assistant, so that when they go through your profile and they see this, when anybody needs the help of a virtual assistant, your name, your profile will come to mind and they can actually contact you. Another way you can make money online from work at home jobs in Nigeria is by joining affiliate programs of big companies in Nigeria. Now, one of the retail companies that are big in Nigeria and offer affiliate programs is Jumia, and another is Konga. All you need to do is go to their website. They actually recruit, and on their website you'll see how you can actually join and read more about how to become their affiliate. And for this, you actually do not even need a PayPal account. All you need is your Nigerian bank account. Then you find a product that you trust in, that you believe in, that you most probably have used before, and you promote it to your audience on Instagram, on Facebook, on WhatsApp, and other social media platforms. This is also a good way for you to make money online in Nigeria. So you want to go to affiliates.jumia.com and click on the Become an Affiliate tab on the website. So it's going to take you to another page where you can actually fill out a form. Fill out your name, your email address, mobile number, country, and website. Having a website is actually not compulsory. You can actually just put your YouTube address or something and then agree to their terms and conditions and continue. And you also want to go to uboss.konga.com. That is the affiliate site for konga.com, and you can actually sign up to be one of their affiliates also. And on the page, you can actually scroll down to see how it works and the steps that it takes you through after signing up. You also want to ensure that you read up their affiliates terms and condition. For each of these websites or any affiliate you are joining, make sure that you read their affiliate terms and condition. It is very, very important. And you can also see here that they have varying levels of growth according to performance. So you move from associates to bronze to silver to gold and so on, and you actually start with 0 naira. So you can try these platforms and start from there. The next one on my list is selling digital products. Now, digital products can be ebooks or courses, but mainly I'm going to be talking mainly on courses in today's video. Now, when you're selling digital products such as courses, there are a lot of online sites. You don't have to have your own website. There are a lot of online sites that you can actually create your own, mini website on their website, so that you can host your courses and people can actually take your courses from their website. Examples of this are udemy.com, Teachable, I think coursera.com also. So you can check out these websites. I'm going to be putting them somewhere on the screen here so that you can check them out on Google and you can actually start from there. So if you have a skill, probably you know how to make hair, why don't you monetize it by creating a course? A lot of people like me actually do not have that gift of making our hairs by ourselves. So they want to learn, they want to know how they can actually do it. Don't be deceived that there are a lot of YouTube videos online that are teaching people about this, about that. You'll be surprised at how many people actually want to be taught, to be personally taught on how to do some things. They just don't want to go through YouTube tutorials and going through all those ads on YouTube. They want a secluded place, a secluded website where they can actually learn about this particular topic. So if you have a skill that you know how to do, or you have a gift, or you have something that you know that people actually have been commending you about it and have been asking you, can you teach me this, can you teach me that, this is the time for you to actually create an online course. And the most fun part of it is that for this platform, it is free to start. It is after you start earning money, that is when they start taking off their own commission from your money. So you just host your courses on their website, and when you have students, then they take their money. They don't charge you in advance. So it's definitely something that you should check out. The next on my list is typing jobs or data collection. It is not actually new, because a lot of people, especially online entrepreneurs, actually need some documents to be translated. Is it translated now or transcribed from the PDF form or whatever form to document form, typing form and all that. They need people to collate some data for them and all that. So typing job is also something that you can actually do from Nigeria. You can also start from Fiverr or Upwork, and I know of rev.com. Rev.com actually is mainly for typing jobs. They recruit for transcribers and captioners. Now the captioners are those that actually type out words from what they hear, like this YouTube video now. If you want to see a caption of it, I can actually give it to them, and you know, they will outsource it to their freelancers, and they will translate everything or transcribe everything that I'm saying. They will caption it into words. That is basically what they do. So if you have a good command of English and you can type, you have a laptop, then definitely try and look into typing jobs. Be sure to check the description box below for links to some of these websites that I've talked about, and in my next video I'm going to be talking about freelance websites in Nigeria, freelance website that you can actually get onto as a Nigerian and start working. So make sure to subscribe, make sure to click on the bell notification sign, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks.